Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Datopia's production graph looks tricky. Let's analyze the resources and find which statement must be true right now. Watch this. First, look at the intercepts on the graph to see the maximum production. Dtopia can produce either 6 cups of coffee or 12 donuts using all of their currently available resources. Since the production line is straight, the opportunity cost remains constant. To find the cost of 1 coffee, we simply divide the 12 donuts by the 6 cups of coffee produced. That calculation gives exactly 2 donuts for every cup of coffee. This means option C is the only mathematically correct choice. You got this. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush on intercepts and always trust the given slope for accuracy.